now it's time for our Trader Game Top That Trade, starring Bill Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys, with round number one, percentages versus points. The Dow recently had that huge point move. It was one of the biggest plunges ever, but percentage-wise, not so much. What matters more, percentages or points?
The big fall on Monday wasn't even in the top 20 biggest drops. Now, I view this as profit-taking pullback, so we'll have to wait and see where we are over the next couple weeks. But look at percentages. There's a reason for that. You don't want to get psychologically involved with the points. The points make it a lot more scary than it actually is.
It is. If you look at the big picture, he's absolutely right. But people do get scared. I mean, they see that kind of a drop in the market. They see their 401k. One day they look at it, and then a month later it's all gone. Their profits for the year.
All that was gone was the gains from 2018 so far. So we'll see.
So far. No, I'm not saying it's over. I'm telling people not to panic. We saw one of the biggest spikes in the fear index in history. What does that tell you? People are scared. And when you're scared, you usually do the wrong thing when it comes to investing. Keep a cool head, a clean eye, and I think you'll come out of this.
Stick to your plan.
On to round number two and $1 million question. Stock watch. What signs are you watching for that will tell you that stocks have stabilized?
I think what I wanted to see is, after the big drop, a big close to get back above some of the moving averages that they broke. We haven't seen that as of yet. We don't know. I don't think we're out of the woods yet, but I definitely think this is a correction because we've had, listen, you got to separate the stocks and the economy sometimes. Am I right? There is concerns that interest rates are going to go up. It's going to be harder for companies to make money, but at the end of the day,
that's a positive sign because we're growing fast.
Positive sign because we're getting a better economy. People are making more money. So sometimes when stocks go down, it's because the economy's good, and that's actually a more sustainable, a market that when stocks are going up because we're printing money or something.
I'm going to look for the dollar to decline one more time. Look for it to take out those lows. We got very close just last Friday. So if it takes out those lows, I think the trends will be back on track, and people are going to find some value in these stocks that are at a discount. Everybody been waiting for them to sell off, and now it's happened. Will people step up? I hope so, and I think so.
On to round number three, Super Bowl stocks. Which ad has the best possibility of scoring with investors?
I think this was the biggest bust on Super Bowl ads ever.
So you're shorting the advertising?
Super Bowl ad. I didn't see
Saatchi
anything.
and Saatchi sold.
I can't, to be honest with you, I can't even remember one that's stuck in my head. You tell me what you like. I don't like any of them.
Well, I'm using this as an excuse to look at some blue chip American stocks.
I thought you were going to say blue chicken American stocks.
No, blue chips.
He
so
likes chicken.
Wendy's came out to try and give McDonald's a little dig.
Right.
But I like McDonald's. McDonald's come back down to this 160 level. This was the breakout back in October. So look to see if McDonald's holds this 160. And it also has a 2.5% yield, dividend yield, which is good. Also,
and you eat at McDonald's almost every day.
The Coca-Cola commercial was really weird. I didn't get it.
I didn't get it
one
either.
girl
No.
dancing, I had no idea what she was talking about.
Right.
But Coca-Cola's come back down to that 44
looks like she was
level.
on the wrong kind of Coca-Cola. I don't know.
Coke's come down to 44.
Coke Zero or
Look
Diet.
for that to
you know
hold,
what I'm talking about.
hold as a support. It had been trading between 44 and 46 for months and months and months. So back to support. And my last one was Jeep, the Jurassic Park Jeep commercial. If you look at Fiat Chrysler, which is Jeep, that stock is still up nearly 25% in 2018, even with all the nonsense.
Darden Foods, that way you cover all the food stocks. And I think they had no commercials, so go with the one that did not waste money on none
You're
of the
using
above.
the none of the above.
Thank you.
Here's the bonus round question for today. It has to do with Valentine's Day.
Oh, well,
so I was going to say, what are you going to get me?
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Right.
The question is, can you pick out the phony ticker? Is it Love, L-O-V-E, Heart, H-R-T-T, or Cupid, C-U-P-I-D?
It is Heart is the one. I have no Heart in the stock portfolio, so it's got to be Heart.
I know that I would like to pick Cupid, but I know that from Angie's standpoint, she wouldn't do that because she believes there is a Cupid.
There is.
So I'm going to have to pick the Heart one.
There's no Cupid?
Oh, you guys, the answer is Love.
I haven't been feeling a whole lot of love this week. Have you?
Not a lot.
Love is always the answer. Business First AM continues right after this.